Only threw it 7 times last week, and another punt is blocked. Second scoop and score. Left, again heaves it downfield. This time he has Shakir. Robert Liss, their kicker, wears 2 left cleats, and with that boot that is blocked, he's going to have to track somebody down. This is Canijo, who makes up for the fumble earlier. Another special teams play for the Broncos.
Boise State has always had a lot of school spirit. Whether it was at a sports game, a play, or a performance, people always showed up and supported the Broncos. Some people dress up in costumes, bring posters, and a lot of people just come to support. There are some things that they do at every game, like different chants. And blitz running onto the field. Like every sports fandom, there are some fans that like to take it to the extreme. They will come in crazy costumes. A small group of people will even push the rules, like running onto the field during the game. There has been a couple times after a big win, the fans storm the field to celebrate with the team. A huge part of how the Bronco Nation joins together is on social media, whether that is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or Snapchat. This gives people that don't go to the games a chance to show their support. There are also many different Instagram accounts for all of the sports teams. Lots of people also create fan accounts or just news accounts for the Bronco Nation to keep everyone in the know. There are lots of groups on Facebook that can have up to 15,000 subscribers and post on the daily. There is a guy on Facebook who has 30-minute long videos of him talking about Bronco Nation with different guests. He talks about games, different players and coaches, and all the drama that goes on in the community. His channel has 61,000 subscribers, and he posts 5 to 7 times a week. He keeps his videos informative while also being entertaining to the audience.
Well, greetings, Boise State fans. Welcome on back. Bronco Nation News live here at Bronco Nation News.
I didn't think it was terrible. I didn't think it was incredible.
So thanks to our sponsors, RowPaint.com, Lithia Ford of Boise, ICCU. We'll talk to you later. Bronco Nation News, BroncoNationNews.com.
I made a poll and sent it to a bunch of my friends and family, asking if they consider themselves a part of Bronco Nation and what their favorite thing about Bronco Nation is. Almost everyone did think that they were a part of Bronco Nation. Some of the more common reasons for liking Bronco Nation is that the games are a lot of fun to go to with friends, everyone has a lot of spirit, and of course the famous blue turf. But when I asked my follow-up question if they would like to go to the game alone, almost everyone I asked said no. So it isn't as much about the sports game as it is about seeing your friends and feeling like you are a part of a community. I know for the rest of my life, me and a bunch of my other friends will always be a part of Bronco Nation.